There is some startling news from the Centers for Disease Control this morning. The agency says as many as 215,000 more people than usual died in the U.S. during the first 7 months of the year. It suggests the number of lives lost to the coronavirus is significantly higher than the official toll. A review of the data by the AP and the Marshall Project finds that half of the people who died were people of color. It comes as the U.S. death toll from COVID-19 exceeds 175,000. The pandemic is forcing schools to adjust and readjust their plans to reopen for the fall semester. Michael George is in Brooklyn, New York this morning. Michael, good morning.
Dana, good morning. Schools just reopened, but already we're seeing outbreaks at multiple campuses across the country. Now a lot of parents, teachers, and students are anxious about a return to the classroom.
Moving into college may quickly become moving out, thanks to unsanctioned gatherings by students, many putting fun over safety. Crowd scenes posted on social media frustrated health professionals and fellow students.
I hoped that as college students we could have been responsible enough to maybe keep this from happening.
17 students were suspended at St. Olaf's College in Minnesota for partying off campus. President David Anderson wrote students and parents, "This is the kind of reckless behavior that will put an end to our in-person semester, and it must stop." 8 students have tested positive. 50 are quarantined. Syracuse University suspended 23 students for crowding into the campus quad this week. At Notre Dame in Indiana, 336 confirmed COVID cases were reported, leading to a plea in the student newspaper: "Don't make us write obituaries." But the debate over safety isn't limited to universities.
Nice, on the website.
Before takeoff, JetBlue passengers in Orlando, Florida had their own bumpy ride as a flight attendant told the mother of a 2-year-old to put a mask on the child. Though she and her 6 children did not continue on to Newark, others who flew were delayed 53 minutes. JetBlue said its policy is for passengers over the age of 2 to wear masks in accordance with CDC air travel guidelines. And masks, hard to spot at this Alabama high school football game, are required.
And we're telling the people, if there's an outbreak, there won't be high school football.
All this as the CDC warns Americans need to get their flu shots, this year more than ever.
Now, schools here in New York are set to reopen in 3 weeks, even as the teachers union is raising the red flags over safety concerns. They say if their concerns are not addressed, they'll go to court or even strike. Jeff?
Michael, thank you very much.